rotate the viewport by holding both the Alt key and left mouse button while sliding the mouse. Notice the mouse cursor icon change to indicate viewport rotation mode. It is also possible to rotate the viewport around a selected object. First click on the object, then rotate the viewport as before. Notice how the camera rotates around this cylinder, cube and sphere. Pan the viewport by holding both the Alt key and middle mouse button. This slides the viewport to the left, right, up and down. Zoom in and out of the viewport by holding both the Alt key and right mouse button while sliding the mouse. Sliding up or right zooms in, while sliding down or left zooms out. Alternatively, the viewport can be zoomed in and out by scrolling the mouse wheel. The viewport is zoomed under the mouse cursor.